In this video, I'm going to be explaining how you can watch the Ed Sheeran live TikTok concert in case you missed it last night. So even though the concert was live last night, it's going to be restreamed on these specific dates. So if I go to my notes, these are the dates that it's going to be restreamed. Saturday, June 26th, so that's today at 10 a.m. BST, which is British Standard Time. Sunday, June 27th at 1 p.m. British Standard Time, and Friday, July 9th, 8 p.m. So you do have 3 more chances to be able to watch this live concert. Now, if you're not too sure about the time zones, you can go onto Google and then just type BST to and then your time zone. So for example, EST time. And there you can see British summertime is 5 hours ahead of Eastern time, so you'll get a good understanding of when you'll be able to watch it. Then to go ahead and watch the live concert, all you need to do is go onto TikTok, then go to the Discover tab right over there. And then in the search bar, just begin typing Ed Sheeran. It should pop up there with a verified check mark. That's the official account. Tap on his profile and then the concert will be streamed on his profile. You can give him a follow so you get a notification of when he goes live. And I'm not too sure about this video, but this is just a 1-minute clip from the concert on his profile. So that is how you go ahead and watch the rebroadcast of the Ed Sheeran live TikTok concert. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.